Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I recorded anything, but just been really busy. But on today's video, I'm actually gonna be changing my old radio to you guys probably heard of it, those 12.5-inch screens, those Android ones. And oh, actually before we get to this, I have a small update on the VR4. Let's just say I was able to find something for this thing, and you guys are just gonna have to wait and see what it is. And no, that's not it, that's the old one. But I'm really excited about this, about what's coming. And at this time I'm gonna make sure I take my time and do this right, because I don't want to take the shit apart again. But just a little update on that. There's something coming for this thing. That's probably gonna be the next video, most likely. But like I was saying, onto this video, I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I wanted to get rid of this old vintage radio the 2008 EVOs come with. It's cool, it's not bad. I mean, when I first bought the car I didn't mind it, but when I found out they sell plug and play radios for it, turns out I figured why not, you know. But I was finally able to get one, and then I wanted to actually take advantage of it and use it for the it has an OBD2 scanner. I could just watch my boost and I believe my air fuel ratio too, and oil pressure and all that good stuff. And instead of me getting gauges, I could probably use the radio for it. So we'll see right now if everything works out. But I know one downfall about that radio is that I have to get rid of this piece here, right here. Let me put my boy up here real quick. Sorry, papas. This trim piece, I haven't seen too many EVOs with this kind of trim. With this trim piece, I haven't seen too many EVOs with this trim piece. And when I take it to go get tuned, a lot of people, I guess they compliment it and they like it. I've never seen it before. I don't know if it just comes with the car or there's aftermarket, but it doesn't seem like it's wrapped. It seems OEM, to be honest. It's all around the car. But yeah, the only downfall about that radio is I have to take this piece off, and it comes with a black one, like 1.5 foot small, long. But we'll see if I can figure something out with it. I want to be able to use it, and if anything, I'll probably just have to cut it. I don't know. We'll see what I do. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let me go get the radio and show you guys what it is. I mean, if you guys are interested in, I basically bought it off Amazon. It's around like 600 something bucks for the Rockford, and I think for the basic one it's gonna be like, it's around the same price range. It's probably like 70 bucks more for the Rockford than the regular one. And I got that 32 gigabyte one, so it's not too bad. I think 32 gigs is way more than enough for a car stereo, but we'll see. Alright, let me go get that. Enough talking. Alright, so here it is. This is the radio. Well, yeah, radio. It's a 12.5 screen. The box is already open because I had my brother open it for me while I was at work. But I guess this is what you guys can look forward to if you guys end up buying this one. Comes with directions for dummies like us. And this is a side trim I was talking about. It comes with a little plastic. Can you move? I don't even know what the fuck they're called, but you guys know what they are. That's cool. I didn't know that. And here's all your harness cables. God damn. Holy shit. Oh goddamn. What the hell is this? Oh, what the fuck? I didn't even know it came with a backup camera. Debating whether I should install it or not. No. Where the fuck is it to go? Big ass fucking block. Fuck that. No, I'm not putting this camera on. trash. But yeah, I guess this is what you guys could expect. Screen, and some couple of harnesses. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna use them all. And I guess you guys can see which ones I would be using. And I don't know if there's videos out there people putting them all on, but my understanding is that this is just all plug and play. We'll see. We'll see. CPS. Probably the mic. Oh, I got it backwards. I don't know. Another harness. Figured I show you guys all the cables. Another one. Where the fuck this? Oh, USB. Probably don't need that. Another cable. What the fuck is this? The motherboard or what? Like a little antenna. Oh, it's so cute. Another cable. Alright, well, I guess enough of that. Oh, let's check out the trim piece. Let me take it apart. So this is it. Whack. This is gonna suck. I don't like it. I'm gonna try my best to make the other one work. I don't want this inside. We'll see. Alright, let's start taking this shit apart. Alright guys, so to start off, obviously you're gonna have to take this trim piece off. Just literally just holding off on one bolt. To get to it, you want to take this cover off. That's that bolt right here, screwdriver Phillips, and there's gonna be another Phillips right here to take this one off. I lost my headset, so I won't be able to record as much as I would like to, but it's pretty straightforward. So let me just, like I just said, screwdriver here, take this panel off, and then you have another screw in here, and then now when you just pull this up all the way over, and just to take this trim piece off, and then this should just pop right up to right after I take this off. So I'll just cut to it when I have it off already. Easy as that. Just pull it right up. Like I said, this thing is not wrapped, so this is the garnish. This is based. It's obviously OEM. It's gonna fucking suck to get rid of this thing, but I'm gonna keep it for sure. I don't know why, but I don't want to get rid of this thing. This thing is too clean. But yeah, now time to remove the radio. All right, so now that that is off, all you got to do now is just pull these. We'll pull the radio out from the bottom. See how it just starts clipping off, and then it should just come right out. This thing hasn't been touched, I could tell. All these clips are still tight. Oh, it sucks doing it in one hand, but when you do this, let me get this off. Just watch out with the harness, it's still there. Alright, so this is the harness I was talking about. All I gotta do is unclip it from the back. And here she is, one harness for the old one. And then you gotta remove these two screws to get the CD player out. And just disconnect the harness back there too. Alright, so these are the only two, well, I guess you could say 3 connections that were on the back of that little CD player, I guess you can call it. And now all we gotta do is connect the harnesses. And I'll show you guys where each one goes in a second. I almost forgot about the vents. You got to take these off first. I cannot stress this enough. You guys be really careful taking these off. Just watch each and every clip. Like, inspect the fucking vent before you actually just try to pull anything off. But the whole top part off, the whole top of this little vent comes off easily. But just these 2 tabs are basically the main ones holding it, because I think I have some sort of adhesive right here on the edge. But just put a little flathead screwdriver in there, it should pop right out. Luckily didn't break, just little scuff marks, but it's good. Now I gotta put these on the other one before I even connect any harnesses. So alright, so that's how it looks with the vents. they literally just clip right in. It's nothing major. Looks OEM, my boy, OEM. Alright, enough of that. Let's get the harness on. Alright guys, so I have all the GPS, the mic down here. Everything else is installed. The harness, that's basically all I'm gonna need since I'm not gonna add any speakers or the backup camera. There's all the stuff for the speakers, backup camera. I don't know what the fuck this is for. Some airbag unit. I think that's for the regular dancers. My airbag unit connects with the harness, the hazard legs. So I'll show you guys how it looks when it's all plugged in. And yeah, that's it. Let me just give you guys a good view of how to install yours. And those two connectors are different sizes, so you can't get those wrong. Right, babe?
Yes, sir.
Show me your bruises, babe.
No.
Oh man. Nah. Alright. Alright, so screen's on. Hazards are working. I guess for now, I was telling you guys I was gonna probably cut that trim piece, make it fit. It looks like you could, but for now I'm gonna put this on. Well, after I turn on the car, I want to see if everything works first. And I guess we're all gonna get the first look of it. Shit. Ooh. Android. Ooh. That's nice.
If I can do it, yeah, I'll sign it.
Alright, so this is it. That's the end result. Right now I'm downloading the Torque app. Oh shit. Yeah, it's already installed. I'm gonna play with that right now. That way I can see if I can read my how I get the boost gauges and oil pressure and all that good stuff. If you guys want to see another video, I probably will make another video on that, showing how it works, get more in depth in it. But I'm definitely looking forward to making a video on the VR4. The block should be here like in a week or so, and I'll just probably do an unboxing and crating, I guess, and explain how much horsepower it's capable of and what's done to it. And yeah, I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's probably gonna be a short one, but I'm excited for it. I'm probably gonna be here for like another 2 hours playing with this thing. But hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys on the next one.
Thanks, ugly guy.
Bitch,
Thanks,
bitch,
ugly guy.
bitch,
Thanks,
bitch,
ugly guy.
bitch.